Hi, I'm gonna teach you how to play this clicker game tutorial. So when we start, the time will go down, and when we click the tick, you're gonna have to score some points. And if you click the cross, you're gonna lose some points. Because you win. So this is the game about the clicker game. Let's start scratching. Today we're gonna make a clicker game. Okay, then first we're gonna delete this cat and we're gonna choose a sprite and search button. Oh, okay. We're gonna take button 4 and one more. Oh, here, button 5. Mhm. Then we're gonna paint the sprite, go back to button 4, and we're gonna drag this button 4B to the sprite 1. Gonna delete it. Mm, Then we're gonna paint one more sprite, go back to button 5 there. I'm gonna drag this button 5B to there. I'm gonna delete it. Then we're gonna go to the sprite one and we're gonna drag off this thing. I'm gonna delete it. Gonna this we're gonna swap it to blue. And the other one green. Okay. To the cross one we're gonna drag over and we're gonna delete it. Then go back to there and we're gonna do pink and purple. Go back to button 5, yeah, and drag it. Mm, And we're gonna put back at the center. Go back to button 5 and gonna change this to red. And this one, mm, delete it, and we're gonna change it to yellow. Then we go back to this, and we're gonna mm, draw a black thing behind him. I'm gonna click back. The bottom 5, back. Sprite 1, back. Oh, back. And the last one, Sprite 2, back. Okay, done. Go back to button 4 and we're gonna code it. First, we're gonna, when green flag click, we're gonna make new variables and we don't need the my variables. First, we're gonna score and for all sprites and time. And first, we're gonna set score to 0. I'm gonna duplicate it and we're gonna set time to 70. Then we're gonna get a forever loop. I'm gonna go to motion and pick this glide 1 second to random position. I'm gonna change it to 0.5. We're gonna go back to control and wait 0.5 second. And we're gonna go to events and we're gonna get when this right click. We're gonna go to the sound. Okay, there's pop. Then we're gonna start sound pop. Then we're gonna change score by 1. So let's see. Yeah. Okay. Nice. Then we're gonna drag these to button 5, sprite 1, sprite 2. Okay. And button 5, yeah, this button sprite 1, 0. point 0.3, I think. Okay. And this one 0.3, 0.5. Oh, we're gonna left this to 0.5. And we're gonna drag this to every sprite, bottom 1, sprite 2, and sprite 1. Bottom 5, we're gonna change score by -1. The sprite 1, uh, we're gonna change this to 2. And sprite 2, we're gonna change this to -2. Then we're gonna, oh, yep, paint 2 new sprites. And we're gonna, this blue, oh wait, we're gonna pick this blue swamp green. Okay, yeah, this is nice. Then we're gonna taxes. We're gonna say you win. Gonna change this to black. Gonna make it big and put it at the middle. We're gonna delete this right for. I'm gonna duplicate the you win. Change it to you lose. Red and pink. No, black. Gonna change this color to green. And we're not doing you win. We're doing you lose. Nice. Ah, middle. Yeah. I'm gonna go back to code in the sprite tree. We're gonna have green flag click. Then we're gonna hide it. Then we're go to events. When uh, we're gonna when I receive message 1, we're gonna change it to new win. Then we're gonna show it. I'll drag this thing to the sprite 4. But we're gonna change this you win to you lose. Go back to the button 4 and we're gonna bring one more green flag click up. Oh, then we're gonna have a forever loop. Uh, oh, actually, we're gonna go back to button 5. Then we're gonna change the sounds. We're gonna pick a sound. And I like, where's that thing? Oh. Maybe this. Delete this pop. I'm gonna change this to zoom. I'm gonna to sprite 1 and the sound again. We're gonna change it to oh, effect. This with gonna start sound with and sprite 2. We're gonna put the sound again. Choose a sound. No. We're gonna oh this wooble. Then we're gonna change this to wooble. So you'll see, yeah, yep, yep, yeah. Go back to button 4 and gonna if over there, gonna pick an equal. Oh yeah. Mm, We're gonna go to variables and pick score equals 60. We're gonna broadcast you win. Gonna duplicate the whole thing. And we're gonna change this time and 0. Then broadcast you lose. Oh, then we're gonna try it to try it. Wait, okay. Set score to 59. Oh, yep. Time. Oh, okay. We're just gonna change score by 1. No, 15. Okay, -3. 60. Changes to 60. Yeah, then there's Ewan. But so boring. And let's try the time by -70. Yeah. And we're gonna make this bigger. So small. Gonna press Alt and we're gonna make it bigger. Okay. Then we're gonna go to 0, 0. And sprite free, we're gonna go to 0, 0. Also, we're gonna go to sound and we're gonna choose a sound effect. And we're gonna wear wood or tada. I think I'm gonna pick wood. Delete this pop. Mm, And we're gonna start sound win and we're gonna wait 1 second. Yeah. Then lose change sound effect. Mm, uh, yeah, where's this the uh no. Mm, okay. Teleport 2. Gonna delete this part. And we're gonna have a star sound teleport 2. Okay, so well, let's see. How I have a teleport. Oh. And we're gonna stop off. Oh no. Wait 1 second. Okay. 0.1. Oh. Uh, actually, oh, let's try that. No, 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 no. Oh, let's don't use the star sound. It's that for the sprite free. No, let's try sprite free first. Change score by 60. Uh, yeah, I'm gonna try it. Okay. Uh, no, play sound, not start sound. Oh, let's try it again. Yeah, stop all. Okay, so change score by 62. Oh, I'm gonna try it again. Wait. Okay, let's don't put the sound. So we're gonna have a backdrop. We're gonna change this backdrop to the blue sky. Uh, yeah, blue sky. Delete the black backdrop one. And yeah, we're finished. See? Nice. Bye, and don't forget to like and subscribe.